Hey guys, what's up? My name is what the fuck, bro? Hey guys, what's up? My name is Mohammed Hashmi, and welcome back to this brand new video on JavaScript. Yeah, let me fix things for a while. Let me connect this camera because it's just 5 or I don't know. It's just 8%. Let me fix my this camera to not gray. Yeah, this color suits me, bro. Where is my hairband? I lost it. Should I wear it? No, forget. Fuck it. Where the fuck is my other earphone? Got it. So guys, what is up? My name is Mohammed Hashmi, and this video is based on JavaScript basics lesson. Which lesson we are learning? We are learning variables, and this is the 8th part on. I'm fucking tired. Let me just focus a bit. This is the 8th video on JavaScript basics. Okay, I think I need some pause, bro. I need some pause. There was unnecessary shit I did in the starting. Hey guys, what's up? So let's get back. So today we will learn about string interpolation. So before going into that, I would like to tell you I have a YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel's name is Bihari Programmer, and I have a very beautiful playlist. You can go and click subscribe because it's too less right now. It's just 127. Let's make it 1K so that your brother starts to earn and make more good content. So I have a playlist which is based on JavaScript for noobs basics. And till now I think we have created 17. I think we have created 18 videos. I think the last video has not been added to this playlist. I don't know, maybe. Whatever. So in this playlist I have basically explained every damn thing. In the introduction part you can ever think of. Oh man. Okay, what did I do? Okay. Yeah. So basically it covers every damn thing. See my old videos, bro. I've talked about it. I've talked about my playlist. So just click on the subscribe button and we are good to go. Alright, let's leave that part. Let me decrease the volume to not less but this much, right? It's okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? This is okay, right? Let me just not end it completely, but why can't I use it? Oh, fuck. So yeah, I'm sorry for the burp. Let's get back. I'm sorry for the burp again. Looks like I'm full of energy right now. Let's get back. So today we're going to learn about string interpolation. What is string? String means text. What is interpolation? Okay. Let's give it a Google search, should we? I think we have given a Google search before. What is interpolation in JavaScript? Before learning what's interpolation in JavaScript, we should learn get a rough idea about what is interpolation basically. Interpolation is statistical method by which related known values are used to estimate an unknown price or potential. No, bro, you'd not be able to actually connect what is interpolation in JavaScript if you just go and read the Google's definition. You need to just be specific. Interpolation in JavaScript. So we're going to get a definition, that is string interpolation is replacing placeholders with values in string literals. What the fuck? You see few words are like, what you're talking to me? This much science, this much words? Let's see. String means text. Interpolation means, for now let's take it, inserting. Interpolation means inserting things in a string. Basically inserting things in a string is replacing placeholder. Okay, let's say instead of placeholder, let's make it more easy. Let's say we use their variables. Placeholder is a different name for variables. We are just using subjective meanings for these words written here. Okay, variables value in a string literal. What is a string literal? Basically string literals, bruh, const, right? const. Const is the keyword which is used to define or create a constant variable which value would not change throughout the code. Basically, if that variable, that's const variable value, is a string, then that string is called const variable. What do I mean by that? Let me show you. Let me fucking show you. let's open our code. Let's clean this. This is Code Academy, by the way. You can Google it, sign in into it, or sign up into it, come to this JavaScript course, and you're gonna get a free code editor and a console here. You know, then just minimize this side and just minimize this to leftmost side, 0, okay, and start writing from the first line. So we're gonna write there const. This is the keyword which is used to create a variable, right? Of course. So we'll set it to a, const a equals a string. Let's say a string's name is Sadaf. Sadaf is a string, Sadaf is a text. All right. Now, this instance of data or example of data, this Sadaf is a string literal. Is it? Yeah. If you don't believe me, let's give it a Google search to this too. Okay. We'll learn something more in it if we do that. String literals. String literals is a literal representation. Bruh, believe me, it's that only. String literals. I think that's enough basic idea, right? What a string literal is. This is a string literal. Those values are not gonna change fucking forever. It's set. The console log, we're gonna get a here, out. I'm the Joker. So we get an output Sadaf, right? We got an output Sadaf here. This is the console part where we get the output, by the way. Okay, let's get back to our thing. So string. Oh, wait. Did we leave anything here while we are getting the meaning of interpolation? No, we didn't. So let's come back. String interpolation. In ES6, basically ECMA script 6, this is the advanced version of JavaScript, which was launched in 2015 and later. So because of this update, now we can insert or interpolate variables into string using template literals. You got a heart attack? These many words? Yeah. You understand the meaning of insert or interpolation for now could be interchangeably used. We can either use interpolation or we can say is basically inserting, basically string inserting or interpolate. Okay, I said it right. We can interchange that part. Variables into strings. We can insert variables into a string. We can insert a variable into a string. You know, we can put a variable in a text. Okay, reset this part, bro. We're resetting the code because initially I was practicing because it was a new concept for me too, because I am not that good in ES6 version of this thing. Okay, using the template literals, variables into strings using template literals. Now, what is template literal? What is template literal? Let's do a Google search of that too. We have done it before, but okay. Template literals. Template literals are enclosed by backticks, character strike, double. Oh my god, that's too much complex shit there. Okay. So basically, this is template literal. This very thing is the template literal. This is not single quote. This is backtick. Look, we have the backtick just below escape button here. Just below the escape button, you get the backtick there. Oh, let me show you where it is. What is a backtick? Yeah, here on this region, this is the backtick. Left of one, you get the backtick. We need to use that. Okay, where did it go? So basically, backtick, $sign and curly bracket, and there are three dots. There are the three dots basically represents the variable, the const variable, and then close curly bracket, and then again a backtick. Okay. So that is basically template literal. That is basically template literal. Okay. So yeah, interpolate you understood. That is inserting. Variables we understood. Variable, where would the variable be used? The variable be used here in between. Okay, now it's kind of complicated to understand what I'm saying. Well, when you'll be typing shit out, we'll be able to understand. Check out the following example where the template literal is used to log strings together. Let's type this shit down. So we have const, we have used the const keyword to define a variable which is my pet, and we have equated using the equal to operator, and we have set it to armadillo. Armadillo, this is kind of animal, right? Armadillo is a pet here. Okay, then we console.log. Using this console.log method, we print out things on this console black region. Then we need to use, look, we are not using quotes, we are not using this, we are not using single quotes, we are using backticks. Backticks, where it is, below ESC and left one and above tab. Got it, bro? All right, we'll type there, I own a pet, and then we're gonna use the $sign. All right, and then we're gonna open the then we're gonna use the curly brackets, and then we're gonna type our variable's name. Our variable's name is my pet. Let's type it down, my pet. All right, and then before closing, after the bracket, curly bracket, pull a full stop just before the backtick, and then end it. And then we'll see what it prints out. Let's see what it prints out, because we don't know what it prints out. We'll put control enter, or you can simply click here, run, and you see I own a pet armadillo. This code, create a variable with your name saved in it, is basically coming because here are a few instructions which we will be following later on. That is the only reason I have this code editor open here, because when you use this code editor, we really need not to worry what are the instructions we need to follow. So let's ignore this for a while. Okay, we did that part. Now we need to notice, okay, before we move, basically this is string, what is this? Template string, template literal. This part is called the template literal. This part is called the template literal. What is this? This part is the template literal. This is the template literal. Don't you see? It's the same thing. Basically this entire part is template literal. We have included here backticks, then the $sign, then the curly bracket, and then our expression, or say the const variable, close, and backticks. Okay, let's move forward. So this is, what is this? Template literal. Say template literal, template literal, template literal. Literal means those values which do not change. Yeah, basically a data type of JavaScript. Basically a value of a variable which doesn't change. That is literal for now, basically. Let's move forward. We'll clean this shit up. Oh, wait, we need to understand a few things. Notice that a template literal is wrapped by backticks. This region, backticks, this template literal, this part is everything basically. Template, we could simply write here a template literal includes a backticks. Okay, this is usually located on the top of your keyboard, left to one. This region, you see the backtick there, of course. Inside the template literal, you will see a placeholder. So as I said before, this is the placeholder, or say the variable, okay, which is enclosed with left side $sign and curly brackets. The value of my pet is inserted into template literal. Okay, so basically when this code is executed and saved, when it's saved, the value of this variable my pet, which is armadillo, is saved here. Okay, it is just not saved this way. How to say, I mean, it's not saved like I own a pet, $curly bracket my pet. It's not saved that way. Once it's executed, when we click enter, it's saved as I own a pet, armadillo. This very part is exchanged with this part, right? This part, dollar to this end of the curly bracket, is changed with armadillo, basically. Yeah, let's move forward. When we interpolate, or say insert the variable in I own pet dollar, the output will print out as I own a pet armadillo. Basically this line and this lines are kind of similar. Okay, one of the biggest benefits of using template literal is readability of code. Why am I saying that? Okay, if you wanted to code the same thing, right, so it could be a pain in the ass. Why? Let me show you. So we just commented out that part of the code and we'll type here console, console that log shing chong, and we type there I own a pet, and then end of bracket with a end of bracket, then we give a space, before our pet's name, then we add, and then we call our variable my pet. Now this would, and we need to add a full stop at the very end, right? So we do that too. All right, now this will print the same thing. Okay, no, we need to put the full stop here, right? Yeah, we need to clear this part. Yeah, so this would also print the same thing, I own a pet armadillo. But do you see how hard it is to read? What's going on? What are these for? What is this for? Blah, 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 blah. I don't like that. But instead you could do this, right? Which is better? This better? This is shortened? This is easy? Yeah. So string literal or string interpolation is a feature which is provided by ES6. That is advanced JavaScript. That's it for now. Okay, you also don't have to worry about escaping double quotes or single quotes, right? It's very complicated. What is meant by that? We'll not go into that because that's quite a subjective problem. I don't face such problems. Some of you might face them, but okay, let's clear this part, right? Let's follow some instructions here. Instruction: create a variable named called my name and assign it your name. Okay, it says like create a variable called my name. Okay, let's see. Let's var, we'll say my, we'll say name, we'll set it to our name, Sadaf, and then we'll try to use nothing. And then let's see, control enter. Yeah, it was created. Create a variable called my city and assign it your favorite name. Let's see. Put let, then we'll say my, then we'll say city, and we'll then equate it to Kishanganj. Kishanganj. This is the city where I live in, Bihar, which is not a city actually, but whatever, a district, whatever. So yeah, it was done. Let's follow the third instruction. Use single template literal. Single template literal. It's basically saying use one template literal. What is a template literal? Let's have a revision. This is the template literal, but I'm not getting it. Okay, we'll soon get it. Okay, basically, okay. All right, let's read it first. Use console.log to print the sentence to the console in the following format. Basically, in this black region, where here we have a pseudo sentence, because our name is a variable here, my name, and our city is my city here, which is a variable we have defined. Okay, for now ignore that part too. Replace name and city with the strings above by interpolating the values saved to my name and my city variables. Basically they are saying insert my name variable and my city. These are two variables, right? We have defined them. Put them here. Put them here. Put them here and here respectively. Oh fuck. Here respectively. All right, we'll do that. We have told to use console.log. We'll use console. What the fuck? Console.log. and then we'll try to use our string literals. In the brackets we'll use the string literals. Are we going to use single quotes? Of course not. We're going to use backticks. We use the backticks. We got two backticks, and inside that we're going to type our string. My name, this very string here, my name is name. No, my name is. Now we are about to put our variable here, or say the placeholder here. So we're gonna use dollar, then we're gonna use a curly bracket, and then our variable's name, my name. Okay, and then we're gonna put full stop without worrying about where to put the full stop or not. Then we're gonna say my favorite city is city. So in place of city, we need to type our variable's name there. So how do we type that? Using string literals or template literals. We type the dollar sign there, similar way, and the curly brackets, and then our variable's name, my city, and then we put a full stop after the curly brackets, because here we have a full stop, as we had a full stop after this variable too, and we had a space there too. You know, we are so chill about it, bro. Look at it. In a single sentence we completed our code. You know, a single line we completed our code. Isn't it funny? I find it very funny. Yeah. So we'll use the semicolon to end the line, so the computer knows it's the ending of the line. So we'll press enter. So my name is Sadaf. My favorite city is Kishanganj. So it's working. So let's answer a few of the top questions asked in the forum. Why isn't string interpolation working? Look, why isn't it working? There are a few reasons your code might not be working, because instead of the backticks which are present here, just below the escape button, you are using the single quotes or double quotes which are here. You see? And the other reason it's not working, because you might have missed the dollar sign. You need to type the dollar sign, okay, and the curly brackets notation too. The other reason the string interpolations are not working, because you have used two consoles, you know, one console to print this part and one console to print this part, right? You shouldn't do that. Okay, why should we use template literals? Why should we use this template literal? For our own ease, bro, because ES6 is an advanced version of JavaScript, right? It brought some updates so that, you know, our work in JavaScript kind of gets easier. Because before, as I showed you, there are so many single quotes, double quote, forward slash, backward slashes, and this and that, that basically confuses the shit out of a person. So in order to make it clear, you know, as it says here, you know, as it says where? As it says where? I don't know, it says somewhere. Basically, yeah, look, is used readability. It basically increases the readability of the code. Look how beautiful it looks, dollar bracket. So let's revise once again. So can we use a string literal here? Of course. How? So we'll like console.log, parenthesis, and then we're gonna type backticks. Okay, then we'll say I am, then our variable's name, that is a. We're gonna use dollar sign, we're gonna use curly brackets, close curly brackets, we'll put there a, name is Sadaf, and we'll add space and Hashmi, and we'll put a full stop. All right, let's see, control enter. I am Sadaf Hashmi. So beautifully executed, right? So what is it? what is that? What? Template literal. What is a TL? What is a template literal? What is a template literal? What is a template literal? Okay. Template. What is the spelling, bro? TMPLAT? TMPLAT, right? TPLAT. Template literal. What's a template literal? Okay. A template literal is basically this backticks, two backticks, and texts which will not show. You can write anytime, and a dollar sign. Okay. And the curly brackets. Okay. Open and close curly brackets. And then inside we have our expression, or say the variable. Let's clean this part. I think we are done. Before we move out, we have a very pathetic question at the end. Did I spell favorite wrong? Why? Because Favorite, there is no U. Why there is no U? Okay, wait. That will be answered too, because you know that's the Favorite is also correct, but as we are using American English, therefore there is no U in favorite. So yeah, I think we are done with this shit. So before leaving, I would like to tell you, please consider subscribing my channel. I don't know what would go in the thumbnail like this. I don't know. Don't freak out, guys. I just do that for thumbnails. I don't believe in editing right now because my computer doesn't support that. It's got too low-end PC I have. So before leaving, I would like to go to this place and like to say you guys one thing finally. That is, thank you for supporting this far. And yeah, one thing. No, we didn't need it that. This is Bihari Programmer's intro. We needed this, bro. Bihari Programmer. Bihari Programmer. I don't know. I felt like I'll have lots of energy today. I did have a little bit. So bye bye, see you soon. Consider subscribing, guys. Really, I would be really more than happy if you click the subscribe button. It's too less, it's 127 subscribers. Let's make it 1K as soon as possible. Alright, let me leave for now. See you soon. Whatever. Why am I doing this nonsense? Bye bye, Dada, I love you.